What's up guys, I trust that you're all safe and sound. So now I'm starting off by applying the Pritt stationary glue stick all over my eyebrows, just to kind of like conceal my eyebrows and at the same time to protect my eyebrows from the liquid latex. And then I'm just going in by pressing in the translucent powder just to help that glue to dry off a bit, because I cannot apply the liquid latex directly without first waiting for it to dry and make sure that it's actually properly dry. So once I'm done with that, I'm just quickly going over it with my fingers to make sure that it is dry and it's not sticky or tacky. So now I'm going in with the liquid latex, and this one is from Kryolan, and then I'm just taking my cotton wool and I'm basically just dunking it or dipping it inside the liquid latex before applying it on my eyebrows, because I find it's much more easier if I actually dip it inside the liquid latex then apply it on my face, rather than just applying the cotton wool first and then going over it with liquid latex. And it's gonna save me a lot of time and a lot of product that way. So now I'm actually just basically just randomly applying it. Yes, just randomly basically. There is no actual way of doing this, so you just have to kind of like wing it out and try to just figure it out how the look would actually look in real life. So that's basically it. And then now I'm just going over those gaps with my liquid latex just to kind of like create some more texture on my direct skin, because it's gonna create this like wrinkly type of effect. So that's the reason why I'm applying the liquid latex directly onto my skin. So basically here I'm just applying the cotton wool again very randomly, no specific way of applying it. So here you just want to be extremely careful when you're applying the liquid latex near your eyes, because one wrong mistake and if the liquid latex gets inside your eye, girl, possibly you might be blind. So you have to be extremely careful when you're working with it around your eyes. Make sure that your eyes are shut, because also the fumes or the ammonia might actually irritate your eye a bit. So you want to make sure that you do a test on your skin prior to doing this, because you want to just make sure that you're not allergic to it. So here I'm just going over it with a foundation basically, and I'm just using my normal MAC foundation because I'm not planning on using this type of look anywhere, and besides it's just for just a few minutes, and then I'm just gonna take it off since we're still on lockdown. So yeah, making sure that I actually pack it and blend it in very well. And now here I'm just using the Kryolan 15 palette eyeshadow, and I'm basically going in with that shade called Mauve or Mauve, and I'm basically just trying to create this look to look as real as possible. So I'm coloring in or shading in with that eyeshadow, with that like reddish eyeshadow. So yeah, very roughly basically, and then later on I'm basically gonna take the same foundation brush and go over it all over again. So I'm gonna be going back and forth with the foundation brush without actually applying any product. So as you can see here, I just took my foundation brush without applying any extra foundation on it, and I'm just blending out that eyeshadow that we just applied. So on this other side, I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do something very simple, and just to make the look not to look too plain. So I just filled in my eyebrows, did a little bit of eyeshadow, lashes, and that was it. So here I'm just taking a foundation and I'm just applying it on the rest of my face basically, just to help the whole look come together without one of the side of the face looking a bit odd. So now I'm taking a stationery tape and I'm just cutting a small piece and applying it on my eye. Basically I used 2 pieces of the tape just to help the eye look a little bit droopy, and that's how the whole look turned out. I thank you guys so much for watching. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, bye bye.